Hey guys, it's Jared from MoparInsiders.com. I know it's been a while, but today I've got something exciting to show you, our new 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. So I'm sure you guys are all wondering, why would we trade in a 2018 Trackhawk on a 2020 model? Well, one of the reasons is Trackhawk used values right now are insanely through the roof. Two, I got such a good deal on that red one when I bought it because it was sitting on the lot for a year and a half, that with the deal I got and the inflated trade-in values, I basically paid $3,000 to drive that thing for a year and put 20,000 kilometers on it. So I factory ordered this back in June and it took about 6 weeks to get here. This is in the new slate blue color. It has the ski gray and black full leather interior, whereas the other one had the Alcantara interior. It does have the panel roof, no hitch, no spare, rear DVD. It's very nicely optioned out. This is going to get all of the modifications that were on our 2018 Trackhawk. Now, some of you might have seen some of those videos. I didn't end up doing a part 2 on the modification install just because I wasn't happy with the video footage. And it's been a while since I've done a video because one, I haven't had time, and two, I've decided that I wanted to put out much higher quality content for you guys. So that's what we're going to be working on moving forward. Now, I've already put the JLT cold air intake catch can on this as well, and I've done the Magnaflow catback exhaust. This is still going to get our 285 pulley set of injectors. I don't know whether it's going to be the 1050Xs or the FIC 1200s again. And tune through Kurt Dusterhoff at Dusterhoff Tuning. When I optioned this thing out, I didn't go for the gray wheels. I just did the stock black ones. Reason being, I'm going to end up doing some 22s on this eventually. I would like to change out the steering wheel for one of the carbon fiber ones and the rear tail lights as well. Anyways, that's going to do it for our quick first look at the Trackhawk, guys. There's going to be a ton of more content coming, and this one was really just to introduce the truck to you guys and show you what's going on. But we'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.